request of the Nicholas County Police Department. Earlier today there have been reports of high temperatures. These temperatures range from 74 degrees to 85 degrees Celsius. We highly recommend you keep your windows open and stay in the shade for the meantime. Do not wear dark clothing as this can make you hotter. Please ensure that you have plenty of cold water to drink. Please stay tuned for any other information relating to the heat. This is the Nicholas County Police signing off.
You know what we should all do? Go see a musical.
Sure.
And you know which one we should see? The 1996 Tony Award winner. Do you happen to know the name of that one?
I don't know, Grease?
Normal programming has been suspended at the request of the Nicholas County Police Department. Sadly, the heat has increased. The weather forecast has shown now that currently the heat is at 93 degrees Celsius. It appears by now that the heat clearly has no sign of stopping. This is most likely due to global warming. Please refrain from burning materials and refrain from using non-electric cars, as this will add more smoke to the air, which will put people with asthma at a higher risk. And if you have asthma, you must stay indoors if you spot any smoke or if you have coughing spasms. This is the Nicholas County Police Department signing off. Please stay tuned for any alerts of this occurring event.
Hello, lady. Can I have your candy striper here at the...
Grab a uniform out of the closet.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, candy stripes. Strawberry.
Ah, doctor.
We interrupt your programming at the request of the West Virginia government. It has been reported that there is over 200 deaths due to the heat.
With dinner service quickly approaching, both teams are prepping their kitchens.
All right, we feeling good, ladies?
Yep, make me a winner. Let's tighten up the organization a little bit. Like, this is a hot mess. Taking up way too much real estate with these. Get your water ready for over here, tighten up garnish. There's way too much shit everywhere. We gotta make it, you know, clean.
programming has been interrupted at the request of the West Virginia government. Yesterday at 4:30 p.m. an emergency alert was hijacked. The source from this was from a far-right group called the Truth Uncoverers. Do not believe anything this group says and only listen to emergency alerts transmitted by authority. The individuals behind the hijacking have been arrested and their names will not be said unless they are proven guilty. This is the West Virginian government signing out. This message is transited at the request of the White House. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Just a few minutes ago, mountains and buildings have crumbled due to the severe heat. Unfortunately, NASA has some disturbing news about why this is happening, and it is in your best interest to listen. The sun is slowly moving to Earth and we are trying to figure out a solution to this, so try not to panic. But if a solution is found, the sun will collide with the Earth and completely burn it, destroying all life on Earth. This is not a test. This is the White House signing off. Programming has been permanently discontinued at the request of the White House. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The President or his representatives will be making a speech shortly about our beloved country and planet. Please stand by. Please stand by.
My dear Americans, it brings me my deepest sorrow to announce this: the sun is moving closer to the Earth by the second, which has resulted in temperatures reported that we have not ever seen in the history of mankind. This is truly indeed a historical event for our country and the entire world. However, NASA has confirmed that there is no stopping this, and the sun will continue to move towards the Earth until it swallows it whole, which will burn the entire Earth, killing every living species. Do not panic, as this will not change anything. Once the sun collides with the planet, you will all die a painless instant death. Gather your loved ones and enjoy your final moments together. If you are religious, pray to your higher being for forgiveness, and we will die with dignity, as there is no chance of humanity surviving this astronomical event. All stations will go off the air after this announcement. And we will conclude this announcement with the national anthem one more time. Galatians 2:16. A person is not justified by works of the law, but through faith in Jesus Christ. Please stand by for the final activation of the emergency alert system. God bless you all, and God bless America.